Hi guys, it's Nunu and I'm here with you in discussion 2, Tennessee Williams play, A Streetcar Named Desire, 1947, scenes 1 through 6, 1,000 words, 120 points. Okay, let's scroll down and survey this assignment. What do we have here? We have 2 videos. The first is about this assignment. This is a video that you are watching and listening to now. We also have a Shmoop video, Freitag's Pyramid, right here. Scrolling down, we have an illustration of Freitag's Pyramid, which is right here. And let's scroll down more. And we see 3 links. We have a timeline, an assignment purpose, and a discussion rubric. We see that we have a part 1 to this assignment, and we also have a part 2. Okay, I will click on some of these links with you. I'll read the timeline. I won't read the assignment purpose or the discussion rubric. I'm going to let you do that on your own. The assignment purpose explains the purpose of this assignment, and the discussion rubric is very important because it's how I grade you in this discussion. Okay, so let's read some of the directions here in part 1 to make sure this assignment is clear to you. Watch the Freitag's Pyramid video at the top of the screen. Let's find that video again. It is right here, Shmoop, Freitag's Pyramid. Then, in 750 words, 3 pages, answer the questions below about scenes 1 through 6 of Tennessee Williams' 1947 play, A Streetcar Named Desire. Okay, now this is a link to the play right here. If this link does not work, because sometimes links move around, don't they? You would scroll up and you would click on Pages here, and then View All Pages, and you would find Tennessee Williams play in here. Unfortunately, Pages is not alphabetized, so we would have to scroll down, and we would look down, and then we would find it. Play, A Streetcar Named Desire, a 1947 play by Tennessee Williams. Okay, I'm going to go back into the assignment, clicking twice to get there. Okay, and let me point out one more thing about scenes 1 through 6 of Tennessee Williams' 1947 play, A Streetcar Named Desire. If the links in this assignment do not work and the link in Pages does not work, simply go into Google, type in Williams' name and the name of the play, and it'll pop up right away. It is public domain and it is on the internet. And I tell you that because we know that links tend to move around on the net quite a bit. Okay, so that is part 1, and I'll let you read these questions on your own. Please realize that you have links here to vocabulary words that may not be familiar to you. Okay, let's read part 2. Write a minimum of 125 words, half a page, in response to 2 peers' postings for a total of 250 words, 1 page. What should you write about? Compare your answers to the questions with your peers' answers. And the questions, of course, are questions 1, 2, and 3 here. Okay, I'm going to scroll up to the links. I'm going to click on the timeline here. And let's be aware of these due dates, the timeline. Post part 1 by 11:59 p.m. on Thursday, and post part 2 by 11:59 p.m. on Saturday. If you think that you cannot make this timeline, come over here to Inbox in the left menu and email me. Let me know what's up, and I'll do my best to help you. Okay, I'm going to click on the back arrow, which will take me back into the assignment. I'm going to remind you to click on the assignment purpose and read about it, and also the discussion rubric to learn how you'll be graded in this discussion. All right, let's get started.